How to set up any controller on Steam for any game. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can set up any controller on Steam for any game. In order to set up any controller on Steam for any game, first of all check your internet connection and then open up a browser, log in into your steam.com. So for that type in steam.com or steamcommunity.com and it's gonna direct you to its official page. So while you're on the home page, from the top left hand side corner, click on Steam. After that, click on the settings button. This is gonna direct you to settings page. Here you can see in the left hand side bar you have multiple tabs. If you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find controller. As soon as you click on controller on the other half, you can see you'll be able to control all of these. You can just toggle the switch in order to control it on. Scroll down a bit, you can also just install the drivers and all that. Once you've added the controller, go to your accounts once again or just go to your home page, and once you're on this page, now go to library or just select the particular game that you've actually added the controller, or right click on your mouse and then you've just activated the controller. In this way you can set up any controller on Steam. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.